Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by locking in prerequisites, backup bookmarks, and enable Linux if you want deeper customization. First, install a high-resolution Mac wallpaper and set system theme to match, dark or light. Then change the shelf to auto-hide and move it to bottom for the dock illusion. Once done, install a Chrome theme from the web store that mimics Mac OS colors. This gives immediate visual parity while you prepare icon and dock changes. Now you'll build the desktop feel. Install a dock extension and center it at the bottom. Set icon size to match and enable click-to-open animations. Replace default app icons with Mac-style PNG or SVG packs, either through a launcher extension or by swapping icons in the Linux container. Install San Francisco or a close equivalent font and apply it system-wide using Chrome OS Accessibility or a custom CSS file. This makes menus and window titles read like Mac OS. Make sure to reboot after font changes. Finish by aligning behavior. Enable 3-finger gestures for app switching and 2-finger scrolling so navigation feels native. Install a Mac-style launcher and remap shortcuts to command-like keys where possible, then adjust window snapping and animation timing to match Mac responsiveness. Test apps and the dock. Once satisfied, export settings or create a restore point. If an extension breaks the UI, disable it and re-enable one at a time, or restore your backup to revert quickly and diagnose the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.